AI can feel like magic. You ask a question, it writes an essay. You show it a picture, it tells you what's in it. But behind the curtain, there's no wizard, there's a process. So, how does artificial intelligence actually function? Let's open the hood and see the engine. At its heart, AI doesn't think like we do. It functions through pattern recognition on a massive scale. Think of it this way. You learn what a cat is by seeing many cats. Your brain builds a pattern. AI does the same thing, but it needs a lot more examples. Step 1 is input. The AI is fed enormous amounts of data. This is called training data. This is its textbook, its entire learning universe. We're talking about everything from billions of images and petabytes of text from the internet to specialized datasets like medical scans or financial records. This raw material is the foundation for everything the AI will learn. The more data and the better quality that data is, the smarter the AI can become. It's like giving a student an entire library instead of just one book. Next comes step 2, training. This is the learning phase. The AI model starts out by making guesses. Is this a cat? Initially, it's terrible. But with each guess, an algorithm checks the answer and sends back a signal, wrong, adjust. This process of guess, check, and adjust happens millions, sometimes billions, of times. The model is fine-tuning its internal parameters, strengthening the connections that led to correct answers and weakening the ones that didn't. This is the essence of machine learning. As the AI sees more and more data, its error rate drops. It gets better and better at recognizing the underlying patterns. Once the error rate is low enough and the model is performing accurately, the training is complete. What you have now is a trained model, a specialized digital tool that has mastered a specific pattern. This model is the final product, the AI that gets packaged and used in applications we interact with every day. And that brings us to step 3, inference. This is the AI in action. Now, you give the trained model new data it has never seen before, like a photo from your camera roll, a question you type into a search bar, or your voice speaking to a smart assistant. The model takes this new input, runs it through its complex, pre-trained network, and produces an output. This output could be a prediction, a decision, or newly generated content. For example, a prediction might be, this credit card transaction is 95% likely to be fraudulent. A decision could be, the optimal path for the self-driving car is to slow down. And a generation could be, the user asked for a poem about pizza, and then it writes the poem. This is the functionality loop, input a process greater than output. It's not conscious, it's computational. It's simply applying learned patterns to new situations. So depending on the task, AI functions in a few key modes. The first is recognition and classification. This is the "what is this" function. It's the AI's core strength, identifying objects and images, categorizing emails as spam, or even detecting the sentiment positive or negative in a customer review. This helps businesses and individuals make more informed decisions by looking into the future. The third mode is generation and synthesis. This is the create something new function. This is where things get really exciting with generative AI. Using its deep understanding of existing patterns in text, images, or music, the AI can generate entirely new content. You can give it a text prompt, and it creates a detailed image. You can give it a few notes of music, and it composes a full song. It's not just recognizing patterns anymore. It's using them as building blocks for creativity. So, the functionality of AI isn't mystical. It's a powerful, pattern-matching engine. We provide the data, it finds the patterns, and we harness those patterns to automate, augment, and accelerate human tasks. It's a tool, and like any tool, its power comes from understanding how it works and how to use it responsibly. Now that you know how it functions, what problem would you train an AI to solve? Let us know in the comments. For more on what AI can and can't do, make sure to subscribe for our next video. Thanks for watching.